In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Go High Level password. Whether you're updating your credentials for security reasons or just need a refresh, this guide is designed to help you make the change quickly and efficiently. So let's dive right in. To get started, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever platform you feel most comfortable using. Once your browser is open, head over to the address bar and type in Go High Level. Press Enter, and you should see a list of search results appear. Now, look for the official Go High Level website, which will be displayed as www.gohighlevel.com. Click on this link to navigate to the homepage of the site. Here on the Go High Level homepage, you will need to log into your account with your existing credentials. This involves entering your current username and password into the designated fields. If you've forgotten your existing password, there's typically an option to reset it through your email, so keep that in mind. After logging in, direct your attention to the top corner of the page and locate the settings icon. It usually resembles a gear or a cogwheel, and clicking on it will lead you to a page filled with various options to manage your account. In this settings menu, find and select the option labeled Profile. This section contains all your personal information and credentials related to your Go High Level account. Once you're on the Profile page, it's now time to change your password. You will be prompted to enter your current password first. This is a security measure to ensure that it's truly you making this change. After entering the current password, proceed to type in your new desired password. Make sure it's something secure, ideally a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. And remember, it's crucial to pick a password that you can remember but is hard for others to guess. Next, you'll be asked to confirm this new password to ensure that there are no typos or discrepancies. This step is vital because any mistake here can lead to difficulty accessing your account later, so take a moment to double-check your entry. With the new password confirmed, all that's left is to save the changes. Do so by clicking the Update Password button, usually located toward the end of the page. This action will finalize the change, and you'll see a confirmation message letting you know that your password has been successfully updated. And that's it! You've now successfully changed your Go High Level password. Feel free to explore other settings and customizations while you're here, but always ensure your password is stored safely. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped make your password update process a breeze.